I posted a detail recently of a CMU cavity wall at a window head. So we're going to take a look at that detail, and I really want to point out what the purpose of the flashing is and how it works. So the major parts of this wall are the 8-inch CMU that is here, the rigid insulation right here, the airspace, and then the brick veneer. And at the window head, we need to support the opening. So we have a CMU lintel, and then a steel lintel, which is connected to that CMU lintel, which then supports the brick. So you can see that sort of grabs the brick edge down here. But this big black line is what we're here to talk about, and that is the flashing. That's this line right here. And that protects the opening from any water infiltration. And you're going to see flashing at bases of walls or at any opening or anywhere that we want to protect the assembly from getting water penetration, because water wants to come in straight from the outside course and just infiltrate that like this. And then when it does, it comes inside the cavity and drips down. Now that flashing is tapered so that water will continuously run. And when it does, it comes down, it grabs the flashing, runs along the outside through a weep vent, which is in the bottom course of the brick in the joints between the two bricks, spaced at about 24 inches or 40 inches on horizontal center. Now that water continues to run down. It catches this drip edge, and that is an important factor, and runs off the edge of the wall and down. The drip edge is bent here at a 45 degree. That's typically what you'll see is a 45 degree bend, and it sits about 3/4 inches, 3/4 of an inch off the outside of the wall. And that is so that the water will drip off and not turn back around due to surface tension and then infiltrate the opening. That flashing can be aluminum, it can be sheet metal. There are various materials that it can be used, but that is a brief overview of how flashing works at an opening.